guys love all the hauls that I post on this channel, I decided to do a Tira haul for the first time. I'm very excited to share with you guys what all I got from Tira. Also, I have a wish list on Tira which I'm gonna share with you guys as well. They have this sale going on. It is their anniversary sale and everything is on huge discounts. I think you're gonna get up to 60% discount, which I think is great. I'm gonna mention all the product links in the description box. Also guys, I have a coupon code that I'm gonna mention on the screen. If you go ahead and use this coupon code, you're gonna get some extra discounts. So without any further ado, let's quickly hop into the video. There is a 20% off on full size product from Estee Lauder, MAC, Smashbox. I'm gonna mention everything on the screen. So for MAC, one product that I have to restock is this one. It is my foundation. I recently purchased it and I love it. It is almost over, so I have to restock on this particular bottle. It is their Studio Fix foundation and I am in the shade NC25. I'm going to mention all the product links in the description box. You can definitely go ahead and try it out. Another product that I got from MAC is this one. It is their MAC Fixing Spray. I haven't tried it out yet, but I have heard such good reviews about this product. So I thought I should definitely go ahead and give it a try. This is for the first time I went ahead and got a lip liner from MAC. And the shade name is Boldly Bare. This is how it looks. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it or not, but I haven't used it yet. It's a new product and I'm super excited to use this one. Face Shop has up to 35% off and I will be restocking on my sheet mask. If you're looking for sheet mask, then you can definitely go ahead and try this one out from the Face Shop. They have in a lot of variants like vitamin C variant, then rice water variant. You can also go ahead and try out their combo. Usually I buy it in a pack of 5 or in a pack of 10. But yeah, if you like sheet mask, definitely give this one a try. Then I got few products from L'Oreal Paris. I'm going to mention the offer on the screen. You can definitely check that out. The first product that I got is this one. It is their L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum. I loved it. Since I love this product, so I thought I'll go ahead and purchase a face serum as well. I haven't tried it out yet, but I have read few reviews and it is amazing. Then I got two makeup products from L'Oreal Paris. First is this compact powder. It is called L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder. I had tried it and that one is over, so I thought I'll go ahead and buy a new one. If you're looking for a good compact powder, you should definitely go ahead and try it out. The coverage is amazing, but in case if you have like really dry skin, you can skip this product. But if you have normal to oily skin, this product is going to work miracle for your skin. I don't have a lot of concealers, but I thought I should definitely go ahead and invest more in concealers. As you can see, it is completely new. I haven't opened the package yet and the shade that I am in is 312 Amber. As I've told you, I'm going to mention all the product links in the description box. Also one thing, I am not a concealer person, but I have one or two concealers. The one concealer that I was using for a pretty long time is this one from Lakme and it is called their Lakme Absolute Mousse Concealer. And in Lakme, I am in the shade 02 Natural. Lakme has up to 40% off. So if you want to get few products from Lakme, I think this is a very good time to buy anything that you have on your wish list. I got few things from Plum, and on Plum, you are going to get up to 35% off. Also, a free gift with every purchase. The first thing that I got from Plum is this perfume. I have used it in my past and I loved it. So I thought I'll go ahead and buy like a travel size of this particular product. So this is the Plum Body Loving Smoking Vanilla Perfume. If you are looking for a budget friendly perfume, you should definitely go ahead and give this one a try. It stays for around 5 to 7 hours, which I feel is amazing for the price. Then one product that is on my wish list and I have to rebuy it or repurchase it is this one. It is their Plum Niacinamide Serum. It's an amazing serum if you have dry skin or if you have normal to dry skin. You should definitely go ahead and try this product out. It just hydrates my skin and it just adds a lot of glow from within. I particularly love this serum and if you have tried it, then do let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, I'm gonna restock on this product. On Dermaco you will get up to 30% off. So I got two products. This is the first time I'm trying out this brand. I have never used this brand and I have heard such good reviews about Dermaco, so I thought let me go ahead and try it out myself. The first thing that I got is a sunscreen, and the next product that I got is a moisturizer. This one is a oil-free moisturizer, and recently I had been loving oil-free moisturizers. I don't know why I haven't used it in my past, but now I'm just loving it. Sugar has up to 30% off. I'm gonna mention the offer again on the screen. I have to restock on my lip balm. I love this product. I had been using it for the last 2 to 3 years. The shade that I love using is 02 Cosmopolitan. So if you're looking for a good tinted lip balm, you can definitely go ahead and give this one a try. The last product of this haul is this one. Is my favorite product. I had talked about this product several times on my YouTube channel. So this is the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and as you can see it's in such a big bottle, but I usually run out of it because I wear makeup almost on a daily basis, so I have to remove my makeup as well. So I'm gonna restock on this particular product, and I had almost used like 7 to 8 bottles, but I keep on repurchasing it because it is that good. So this is on my wish list. I'm gonna get this product on the sale price. In case if you have anything on your wish list, I think this is the right time to go ahead and purchase it because there are so many offers that is going on. I just want to mention that there is this massive sale going on, and I feel sale is the perfect time when you can restock products. If you want to try out new products, you should definitely go ahead and buy during the sale, because yeah, obviously you're gonna get extra discount. As I've said in the beginning of the video, Tira is having their 1-year anniversary sale. So yeah, they have up to 60% off on almost all the products, so you should definitely go and check out their sale. The Tira Turns 1 anniversary sale is going on from 24th of April to 28th of April. So there is this massive sale going on. Also guys, I have this coupon code that I'm going to mention on the screen. If you go ahead, use this coupon code and purchase, you're going to get extra discount. So I have showed you all the products that I have got from Tira, and I am planning on buying from Tira. So if you have liked this haul, then please give this video a big thumbs up. I'm going to mention all the product links in the description box, so don't forget to check out the description box. And that is it guys. I'm going to see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye bye.